Now we're going to talk about Slope-Intercept Form. Now I believe that you all saw this last year in pre-algebra 8th grade math. Linear equations are frequently written in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is written as y equals mx plus b. Does that ring a bell? I was going to say it should, unless you didn't pay attention last year. So y equals mx plus b, where m, y'all know what m is. What is m? Slope. Okay, now b may take a little jogging of your memory. Does anybody remember what b means?
Where it crosses.
Yeah, so y-intercept. Very good. So y-intercept. So the y-intercept, just in case you forgot, is where it crosses the y-axis. So, this first part, it says, given the slope and y-intercept of the line, write the equation in slope-intercept form. So, all these are going to start with y equals. And we're going to put in y equals mx plus b form. So, it gives you the m, which is the slope, and it gives you the b, which is the y-intercept. So, how would I write number one?
Y equals 2x plus negative 1.
Very close. You could write it like that, but if anytime there's a negative, instead of putting plus a negative, just put minus. So just minus 1. So what's number 2 going to look like?
Y equals negative 3/5 plus 4.
Close. Negative 3/5 what? X plus 4.
Right.
There you go. Okay, I'm going to skip and do number 5 with you, and then I want you to try 3, 4, and 6 on your own. So number 5, anybody got a guess on that one?
0.
Okay, so what is the same thing as 1/4 x plus 0?
Just 1/4 x.
Yes, so don't even put the plus 0, just leave it like that. Actually, and let me do number 4 with you too, because number 4 probably would mess up some people. We're not going to put negative 1x. What are we going to put?
Negative x.
Negative x, good. Plus 7.
So you don't turn that into a fraction.
You don't have to change it to a fraction on this, no. So everybody just tell me what they got for number 3.
Negative. Y equals negative 3x plus 2.
Negative 3x plus 2, good. And then number 6.
Y equals negative 5 over 2x minus 3.
Good. You might have questions about that. Yeah, it's pretty easy just to make the equation. The next part's not hard either. Anybody still copying that? Esau, you good? Okay. All right. So 7 and 8. It says identify the slope and y-intercept of the line on the graph, then write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So first you figure out the slope.
Negative 4.
So remember, to figure out slope, we do rise over run. We go, from this point, we go up 1, 2, 3, over 1.
3 negative 3, 1.
So how would you wouldn't put 3 over 1, what would you put?
3.
Just 3, because 3 divided by 1 is 3. And then B is the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis.
Negative 4.
So it crosses the y-axis at negative 4. So how would I write that equation?
Y equals 3x minus 4.
Good.
You're welcome.
Does everyone understand how we got that?
Yeah.
That makes sense to everybody?
Yes.
So number 8, we first figure our slope. So our slope, we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that'd be negative 6 over
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you put that in Desmos, what does that reduce it down to? Negative 3 over 2. Good. Everybody remember how to do that? Do I need to show anybody that?
No.
Does everybody remember how to find reduced fractions?
Yeah.
Seth, Esau, you? Yeah? Okay. Then our B, what would our B be? BB.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. So how would I write that equation?
Y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 7.
Very good. Anybody have questions about that?
No.
Anybody confused at all? It's all right if you are, just speak up now. Okay. So now, 9 through 16 is the same exact thing. Go ahead and do those problems on your own.